My little friend Emma is going to have a birthday here in just a few days. She's going to be 13 years old, and she made a pillow for me. She had some help making it, but it's purple and it's fuzzy and it's soft, and it's got a little, she sewed a little button on it right there, a little fuzz button, and I sleep with it every night. Anyway, I decided I'm going to do a painting for her for her birthday, and she requested an abstract, so that's what I'm going to do. Emma's favorite color is turquoise blue, so I had a couple of different shades of turquoise that I wanted to use in this painting. I did a base coat of black because her room is done in black, white, silver, and turquoise. So I got these shells at a local store and I crushed them up with a hammer. They kind of have a turquoise, silvery shimmer to them, and I thought the combination of the colors and the shells would look pretty cool. So she wants to be a marine biologist when she gets older, so I wanted to do something that represented water, and I made it to where it's like you're standing behind a waterfall looking through at pools of water, and the shells sparkle just like water when light hits it, so that's kind of neat. Emma's made a lot of things for me over the years that I'll enjoy forever. She's drawn me pictures and made me cards. She got me a jacket and painted silver lettering on it and hearts, and those are things that I will enjoy for a long time. And I wanted to do something that she can enjoy for years to come for her 13th birthday. I hope you'll visit my website at tlmarchi.com and subscribe to my videos. And I just want to say happy 13th birthday, Emma. I hope you like your painting. I enjoyed doing it for you.